What are you feeling?
My hips are probably off.
Okay.
Because when I do squats, I can feel like.
Oh, plus afterbirth.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long?
2 months ago.
2 months ago. Number 3. Okay. Hips aren't feeling good. Notice it was squats. What else?
I had epidurals. I don't know what that does anything with my back.
Like in the low back.
Mm-hmm.
Still feel like where
I had really bad sciatic nerve this pregnancy, but I think like after labor, it kind of went away.
Okay.
I have it like sometimes,
Okay.
but it's not all the time.
All right. So everything is more lower.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I guess.
Well, I gotcha. Go face down on the table for me. Yeah, left leg is quite a bit shorter than the right. Hips are level though, which is good. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness. Any pain with that? Good.
The metal plates?
Yeah. I don't want it. It's just not comfortable.
Yeah, don't blame me on that.
That was fun.
Sit up on the table for me. We go. One leg on each side. Ooh.
She's like,
There we go. Raise your right leg up. Any pain with that? Or what do you feel?
Not really.
Compare it to the left side. Any pain with that?
Well, just like some pressure like in my lower back.
Okay, it like crunched like under my hand like twice when you did that one. Cross your left foot over your right foot for me. Raise that leg up again. How'd that feel?
Better.
Alright, good. Here, let me hold. Raise it one more time. Hold on, man. You get like. Go again.
Like it has like a cracking.
You feel
right
it?
here.
Because when you go like, it was more at the end range. I felt it like.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Lay on your side and face me this way. There it was. And then go on your back.
Knock the breath out of me.
What did you feel?
I'm still trying to breathe. No, I just felt like everything in my back to my neck, literally like the back of my head down. Just.
Good. That right atlas is good. Check the left one. Good. How you feeling?
Good. I'll probably be a little bit sore, but
You know, well, I mean, this is
I mean,
what?
I'll feel good.
How many times have you gotten this done now?
I feel like I only come when I'm pregnant.
Really?
3 kids now.
Really? 3 times, 3 kids?
Next year will be.
I mean, it wouldn't. No. I think Tampa was the last time I got it. Just
More importantly, how's low back feeling?
it feels good. I just feel like everything just kind of got released.
Good.
Not tense. I don't know. I always feel better.